Good morning, children. Today we will learn to calculate the values of the variable by the use of inverse of a matrix. Now, children, these are the linear equations given, and we can write this system of linear equation in the form a equal to x into b. Now, this a means the coefficient. This a is the matrix of the coefficients of these variables. So it is 3, 2, 4, minus 2, 1 and minus 3. This is 3 minus 1, 2. So this is the value of A. Now what is this x? This x is the coefficient, the x is the variables which we are using, x, y, z. And what is this b over here? B are the constant values which are towards the right hand side of your equation. So your b is 8, 1, 4. Now this a equal to xb, or this can be written in other form as x equal to a inverse b. Children, we are saying that we can find the solution of the system of linear equation by inverse of a matrix method. So here this is the inverse which we have to calculate. So we know how we can calculate A inverse. A inverse can be calculated by the formula as adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So for this, first of all, we'll find out A inverse B. A inverse, that means inverse of A, by this formula, and then we will be multiplying this A inverse with B, and afterwards, after solution, we'll get all the values of the variables. So let's see what will be adjoint of A here. So let's see, I am calculating first of all for adjoint of A, I am first of all calculating my minors. So my minors are over here. This is 3, so eliminating row and column. 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. Then it is minus 4 plus 9. This will be plus 5. Then this is gone. 2 minus 3, which will be minus 1. Then this is 4 plus 4, 8. Then this is 6 minus 12, which is minus 6. Then we have this and this gone. So we are left with minus 1 into 3 is minus 3, minus 6. Minus 3 and minus 6 is 9. Then it is minus 6 and minus 4, which is minus 10. Then for minus 3 we have minus 3 and minus 6, which is again minus 9, and for this we have 3 and plus 4, which is 7. So this is the minor. Now we have to calculate its cofactors. So cofactors can be calculated by sign convention method. So this is plus, so this will remain this only. This is minus, so minus 8. Plus, so this will be minus 10. Minus, this will become plus 9. This is plus, so this will remain minus 6. This is minus, so minus 5. Plus, so it will remain minus 1. This is again your minus, which will become 9. And this will be your plus, which will be 7. So these are the cofactors. Now, adjoint of A can be calculated by transposing it. So adjoint of A is minus 1, minus 8, minus 10, this is minus 5, minus 6, 9, minus 1, 9 and 7. Now for A inverse we need to calculate determinant of A also. So let's calculate determinant of A. So determinant of A will be 3 multiply 2 minus 3 will be minus 1. Then this is 2. This is minus 4 and plus 9. Minus 4 and plus 9 will give you just 5. Then it is plus 4. This will be minus 1, 2 minus 3, which will give me minus 1. So here it is minus 3 minus 10 minus 4. So which gives me minus 17. So my A inverse is equal to, this is 1 upon minus 17. I am writing determinant of A's value minus 17, and it is minus 1 minus 8 minus 10 minus 5 minus 6 plus 9 minus 1, 9 and 7. So this is the value of A inverse which I am getting. Now where I have to put? I have to put it here. So this is x equal to, x means x, y, z, equal to A inverse into B. So my A inverse is minus, if I am writing it like this, then it is not wrong, 1 upon 17, 8 by 17, 10 by 17, then again it is 5 by 17, 6 by 17, 9 by minus 9 by 17, 1 by 17, 9 by 17, and it is 7 by 17. Here it is B, so I can write it here as 8, 1, 4. Now we can solve it further. How we can solve? So this is the simple multiplication. Multiplication, how we do? Row, taking row and column. We'll multiply this with this, plus this with this, plus this with this. Then again I will be multiplying this with this with this, and this with this. Again I will be multiplying this with this, then next term with 1, and then it will be 1. So on simplification, I will get it as, I will be getting this value as 1, 2, 3. So that means here x equal to 1, y equal to 2, and z equal to 3. So this is the simplest way of getting value of x, y and z. In class 10th, you must have done these types of question in 2 variables by elimination, substitution and cross multiplication method. But this is the method to calculate 3 variables by matrix method. Have a look to it.